The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne from the US had an uncontrollable bout of hiccups that lasted from 1922 to 1990. That's right, 68 years of hiccups without a single break. Although they didn't harm his health, they certainly affected his life in other ways. The condition was finally cured after 68 years when he sneezed and the hiccups stopped. The Charles Osborne didn't just have a bad case of hiccups. He lived with them for 68 years. Imagine hiccuping every minute for almost 7 decades. Finally, after all that time, a sneeze cured him. Talk about perseverance.